Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve subtree of another tree. We are given two trees, that is root and subroot. We have to find out if there is a subtree in root which is identical to the subroot. So the structure should be same and the values should be same. So let's take an example. So in this example the subtree values and the structure is same. As you can see here, like 3 is equal to the 3, 4 is equal to the 4, 5 is equal to the 5, and 3 left is 4, 3 left is 4, 5, 3 left is 5, 3 left is 5. If I add another node after the 4, that will be any value like 6, and then we compare the left root and the subroot, then it will not be equal, as the 4 left will be null and the 4 left will be 6. So this will be wrong and we have to return false in this case. So in the solution we first check if root equal to null, which means if there is no root, like there is no root but there is a subroot, so we return in that case false. So the subtree can be in three ways. So if I remove the first, so we can say that root is equal to the subroot. If I also remove this node, and the other case can be when there is subtree in the left, and there is another case when there is answer in the right subtree. And in this example we can see that the answer is in left subtree. So let's write the code. So first we check the condition, that will be if root equal to null pointer, then we return false in that case. After that the second condition will be if same tree, then we return true. In that case we have to pass the root and the subroot. And for the third condition it will be return is subtree. We have to write the recursive function in this, and we will do in the left and then we do in the right. Is subtree root right, comma subroot. Now let's write the helper function, that is same tree. So we will take a bool is same tree and pass the tree node and the subroot. And first we check if root equal to null and the subroot is equal to null. That means both the values are null, so we return true in this case, means the value matches. After that we have to check another condition, that either of them is null, like if the root is null and the subroot is 5 or any other value, and the opposite condition, that is if subroot is null and the root is 5. So in both condition the answer will be false. So let's write it. We return false. Now the another condition will be root value and the subroot value, like we will check both the values. If both values are not equal, we return false. Now here comes the main condition, in which we will check if the root value and the subroot value is equal or not. So we have to check in both the trees, like in the left subtree and the right subtree. So for that we will write a recursive call for the left subtree and also for the right subtree. So it will be same, just the condition, so it will be almost same, just there will be little change from left to right. Let's run this code. Submit it. Its time complexity will be big of n into m for every node in root n nodes, and we may compare the entire subroot m nodes using is same tree, and the space complexity will be big of n plus m due to recursive call in is subtree and the is same tree. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel. It will help a lot.